For this video, we're diving into creating conversion-driven emails using ChatGPT. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to improve their email game, this video is for you. Let's get started. The subject line is the first thing your recipient sees, so it needs to grab their attention. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us create a compelling subject line. Here we are. Let's go to the input, and here's the prompt that I put together. Let's say, generate 5 compelling subject lines for an email promoting a 20% discount on our new product line of eco-friendly water bottles. Let's see. As you'll see currently, it processes right here. ChatGPT is now generating some subject line ideas. And here we go. Here are the ideas. See, go green with our eco bottles, stay hydrated, upgrade your hydration game. Yeah, these are great. This step is crucial because the subject line determines whether your email will be opened or ignored. Here are a few options, once again, with ChatGPT that came up with. The subject lines are engaging and highlight the key selling point, the 20% discount right here on eco-friendly products. That's right. So let's see the one that stands out the most for our target audience. Personally, let's say I'll go with the second one right here because it emphasizes both the discount and the eco-friendly aspect. Let's go with the second one. Remember, a great subject line should be clear, concise, and create curiosity. It's also a good idea to test different subject lines to see which one performs best with your audience. So, we'll go ahead and use this subject line for our email. Now, let's move on to crafting the email body. Next, let's craft the body of the email. This is where we provide all the essential information to encourage our readers to take action. We'll give ChatGPT some key details to include, like the discount offer, benefits of the product, and a strong call to action. So here's my prompt right here. Let's see. Write an email promoting a 20% discount on our new eco-friendly water bottles. Highlight the benefits of using eco-friendly products, mention the limited time offer, and include a clear call to action to buy now. So here it is, all detailed in this prompt, but we'll see how ChatGPT would respond based on this. Let's see. So as it currently generated, for the body, it's amazing how quickly it can create engaging and persuasive content. Let's take a look at what it come up with. As you'll see right here. Yep. So here's the draft right here from ChatGPT. So noticed on the beginning right here, it starts off with a warm greeting right here. Then an engaging introduction to the product, then it emphasizes the unique selling points, and then the limited time offer right here, then followed by a call to action. So this structure helps guide the reader towards taking the desired action. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Personalization can significantly increase your email's conversion rate. Let's ask ChatGPT to personalize this email right here that ChatGPT had generated for us for a specific segment of our audience, customers who have previously purchased eco-friendly products from us. So here is the prompt that I put together. As you see, personalize the above email, which is this one right here, for customers who previously purchased eco-friendly products from us, just as I stated. And yeah, let's see how ChatGPT would do with this. So currently processing, ChatGPT is currently now personalizing the email based on the recipient's past purchase behavior. This step is crucial for making the email feel more tailored and relevant. This personalized email acknowledges the recipient's preference for eco-friendly products and thank them for their previous purchases. By tailoring the message to their interests, right here, then we make the email more engaging and relevant. Even though ChatGPT creates a solid draft, it's essential to review and edit the email to ensure it perfectly aligns with your brand's voice and message. Let's ask ChatGPT for some suggestions on improving the tone, clarity, and formatting. So here we go. So just scroll down here. Let's go to the message input. Then here's the prompt that I put together. Let's say, review the email for tone, clarity, and formatting. Suggest improvements to make the call to action stand out and the overall message clearer and more compelling. So let's see how this goes. So here, ChatGPT analyzed the email and it's currently providing suggestions right here for improvement as it currently processes. Just you wait, and yeah, here it is. This is how ChatGPT would provide all the suggestions for us. And this is a great way to ensure that your email is polished and effective. Now let's implement these suggestions through another prompt I've put together. So here's the prompt right here, just in case. Use bullet points for easy readability for the benefit section. And let me remove that, my apologies, and add urgency and exclusivity for the call to action. Here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would respond and try to improve the email above. So, by making these adjustments, we've improved the readability, clarity, and reformatting to make more bullet points on the benefit section, and also have the call to action to be more urgency, or urgent for that matter. And it had more impact for the email. Reviewing and editing with ChatGPT suggestions can significantly improve your email's effectiveness. And there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create conversion driven emails that engage your audience and drive results.